And now I am solving the inverse trigonometric function equations. Take the screenshot of these problems. Then look at number 1. This cos 2 sin inverse x is equal to 1 by 9. Here put, and I am doing this problem in very short manner. Theta sin inverse x, and we know sin theta is equal to x. This becomes cos 2 theta is equal to 1 by 9. As the formula, it is sin theta is equal to x. So apply the formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 by 9. This implies 1 minus 2 x square is equal to 1 by 9. So 2x square, if 1 by 9 come to this side, it is 4 by 9. X square is equal to 8 by 9, x square 4 by 9, and x is equal to plus or minus 2 by 3. Or one can do this problem in another method. Okay, you do this. Now I am going to solve number 2. Now for this another method, I am writing cos and 2 sin inverse x as 2 cos inverse 1 minus x square root over is equal to 1 by 9. Then tell me, what is the formula of 2 cos inverse x? It is cos inverse, as the formula 2 cos inverse a is equal to cos inverse 2a square minus 1. 2a square means 2a square, this square, 1 minus x square minus 1 is equal to what? 1 by 9 is equal to, this implies cos inverse this much, cos inverse this much is equal to what? Cancel, it becomes 2 minus 2x square minus 1 by 9. So what? 1 minus 2x square 1 by 9. Then you know method. You can do by this method or that method. This method is simple. That method thoda critical hoga. Many students solving this problem by applying the formula of sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. If we will do by that method, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, it will be very lengthy. Now I am doing very short manner solution, and this is a star point. Now look at here. This implies, now tell me what is sin inverse x is cos inverse what? Cos inverse 1 minus x square root over plus sin inverse 1 minus x is equal to what? 5 x. And you know the formula cos inverse a plus sin inverse, cos inverse a plus sin inverse a is equal to what? 5 x. I am cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to 5 by 2. I am writing it cos inverse jitna plus sin inverse utna is equal to what? 5 by 2. So here the result is 5 by 2, and so I can write 1 minus x square root over is most equal to 1 minus x. This is the shortest trick of this problem. Then it happens squaring both sides. 1 minus x square is equal to 1 minus x whole square, and it becomes 1 minus x square, 1 plus x square minus 2x, 1 cancel. So it becomes what? 2x square minus 2x is equal to 0. This implies 2x into x minus 1, 0. This implies x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. There are two solutions of this problem. Okay. Now for problem number 3, keep sin inverse 1 minus x. It is not as previous problem. This is minus, although result is pi by 2. So take pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse x. So take sine to both sides. It becomes 1 minus x is equal to sin pi by 2 plus 2 sin inverse x. it becomes, okay, taking sine to both sides, this becomes 1 minus x sine 90 plus theta is equal to what? Cos theta. Cos theta is cos 2 sine inverse x. Now, what is the formula of cos 2 sine inverse x? Now, put it theta. It becomes what? It becomes, put theta is equal to sine inverse x, and it becomes cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta in terms of sine, express it 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Although we know sine theta is equal to x, then it becomes what? 1 minus 2 x square. Now 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus x square. Cancel this. This becomes 2x square minus x is equal to 0. This implies x into 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Implies x is equal to 0 or x is equal to half. Okay. I am also doing this problem number 4 in very short trick method. Now it is what? Pi by 6. Now I want to multiply both sides 3. 3 cos inverse x. 3 sin inverse x by 2 is equal to 3 into pi by 6. It is what? Pi by 2. Now apply the formula 3 cos inverse x. It is what? Cos inverse? It is cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x plus sin inverse. It is what? 3 into x by 2 minus 4. 3 sin inverse x formula is what? 3 sin inverse a. I am writing it is sin inverse 3a minus 4a cube. It becomes what? 3 into x by 2 minus 4a cube. A cube is what? X cube by 8 is equal to what? Pi by 2. Okay. Now it is again simplifying. It becomes 4x cube minus 3x plus sin inverse. It is 3x minus what? X cube. It is what? It is 2. 3x minus x cube by 2 is equal to pi by 2. Look at the result is what? Pi by 2. Cos inverse jitna plus sin inverse utna is equal to pi by 2. You know cos inverse, it is cos inverse jitna plus sin inverse utna is equal to pi by 2. Then both things are equal. So 4x cube minus 3x is equal to 3x minus x cube by 2. Multiplying, it becomes 8x cube minus 6x is equal to 3x minus x cube. Coming to one side, it becomes 9x cube minus 9x is equal to 0. And if you take common, it becomes 9x into x square minus 1, 0. Then it becomes x is equal to 0. And for x square minus 1, 0, x is equal to 1 and another. Now after finding the value, you have to put the value of 0 here. Cos inverse 0 plus sin inverse 0 by 2. Cos inverse 0 is what? Cos inverse 0 is 0 plus sin inverse half. Sin inverse half is pi by 6. 0 plus pi by 6 is equal to pi by 6. This is verified. Tick mark. Cos inverse 1 plus sin inverse half. Cos inverse 1 is what? Cos inverse 1 is if we put 0 there, it becomes what? Cos inverse 0 when x is equal to 0. It becomes cos inverse 0 plus sin inverse 0 by 2. Sin inverse 0 by 2 is what? 0. So cos inverse 0 is what? Pi by 2. Sin inverse 0 is 0. The result is pi by 2. So it is not pi by 6. So x is equal to 0 is not the solution. When you put x is equal to 1, it becomes what? When you put x is equal to 1, it becomes cos inverse half, cos inverse 1 plus sin inverse 1 by 2. Cos inverse 1 is what? Cos inverse 1 is 0 and sin inverse half is pi by 6. So this becomes pi by 6. So it is verified. Now it is verified. When you put x is equal to minus 1, it becomes what? When you put x becomes minus 1, it becomes cos inverse minus 1 plus sin inverse minus pi by 6. Cos inverse minus 1. Cos which degree gives you minus 1? Mind it. Its value is pi because it lies between 0 to pi. And sin inverse minus half, it is minus pi by 6. And the result is 5 pi by 6, which is not the answer. Answer is what? Answer is pi by 6. It is not verified. So, only one solution is there. That is what? X is equal to 1. Okay? Now look at number 5. Apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Formalize tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. And you can put this pi by 4 as tan inverse 1 because tan pi by 4 1. So tan inverse this is equal to tan inverse this. So equating both sides, it becomes x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus x plus 1 by x plus 2 divided by this much is equal to 1. Then take LCM x minus 2 x plus 2, which I cancel, or you can multiply x minus 2 into x plus 2 in both the numerator and denominator. The equation it becomes this. Two methods. Take LCM of multiply x minus 2 into x plus 2. This equation becomes this. And after simplifying this, it is x square plus x minus 2. And after simplifying this, it becomes x square minus x minus 2. And the denominator becomes x square minus 4. This is minus x square minus 1. After simplification, this is 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3. 2x square 1, x square half, x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Okay. Now, this is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Formalize tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. That is tan inverse 2 by x square. Simplifying this, tan inverse both sides. So it becomes this part is equal to 2 by x square. Now simplifying this, it becomes 6x plus 2. It becomes 8x square plus 6x is equal to 2 by x square. Then multiplying, take common 2. And denominator take common x, it becomes 8x plus 6, x will cancel because here we can say x not equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then becomes what? If x becomes 0, this it is not possible x becomes 0 because if denominator is 0, the result is what? Undefined. So as x not equal to 0, the cancel. So multiply, you get at this point. Now you are getting two answers. X is equal to minus 2 by 3 and x is equal to 2 by 3. But this answer is correct. Mindfully listen me. Why minus 2 by 3 is wrong? If you put here tan inverse this, it becomes a negative quantity. Minus 4 by 3 plus 1. It is minus 1 by 3. So tan inverse minus 3, it becomes a negative quantity. When you put this, it becomes minus 8 by 3 plus 1, it is minus 5 by 3, and ultimately it becomes minus 3 by 5. So tan inverse negative plus tan inverse negative. Okay, tan inverse negative means the result is a negative quantity, and this result when you put minus 2 by 3, it becomes positive quantity. Tan inverse positive gives a result 0 to pi by 2. Tan inverse negative gives a result 0 to minus pi by 2. So this part negative, this part positive. They will never equal to each other. So only alternative is there. X is equal to 3. When you put, you get the you can verify it. Okay. Now 3 sin inverse this minus 4 cos inverse this plus 2 tan inverse this. And we know sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is 2 tan inverse x. And cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is also 2 tan inverse x. And tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is also 2 tan inverse x. it becomes 6 tan inverse x, it becomes 8 tan inverse x, it becomes 4 tan inverse x, pi by 3. So 2 tan inverse x pi by 3, tan inverse x pi by 6, tan pi by 6 is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, it is the answer. Now look at this problem. Take cot inverse 1 by x minus 1 plus cot inverse this plus cot inverse this is equal to cot inverse 1 by 3x. Convert all to tan inverse and take this tan inverse. Take this cot inverse 1 by x to that side. It becomes minus tan inverse x. Apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula to both sides, and in both sides it is tan inverse, so this part is equal to that part, and this is 2x by 1 minus x square minus 1 is equal to 2x by 1 plus 3x square. Mind it is very important to note that we can cancel 2, but we cannot cancel x. If we cancel x, then it will become a problem. Numerator x can never cancel each other. Numerator x can never be cancelled. So take common x into this is equal to x into this. Come to one side, x into this is equal to 0. X gives 3 values, that is 0, minus half, plus half, and it is very important to verify. You can verify and see minus half plus 1 can satisfy this equation. But if you put 0, mind it, if you put 0, it is cot inverse minus 1. And it becomes cot inverse 1 by 0 means cot inverse undefined means tends to infinite. It becomes cot inverse 1 by 0, cot inverse 1 by 0, which this gives you cot inverse. When I put 0 here, it becomes cot inverse minus 1, which is 3 pi by 4, and it becomes cot inverse 1, which is pi by 4. Pi by 4. This is 3 pi by 4, result is what? Pi. And this gives you cot inverse 0, cot inverse 1 by 0, that is cot inverse infinite. Value is what? Value is 0, and it is also gives the result. Both are undefined in this place, so it cannot satisfy the value 0. Hence 0 is cancelled. As x is equal to 0 does not satisfy the equation. Okay, now you can observe the next problem, number 9. Now look at number 9 and convert all to cot inverse to tan inverse to sec inverse to sin inverse, sec inverse to cos inverse. And it is 2 tan inverse x, it is 2 tan inverse a, and it is 2 tan inverse b. Now cancel all 2's and apply here tan inverse a minus tan inverse b, and the result is x is equal to a minus b by a plus b. X is equal to a minus b by 1 plus ab. Okay. Now it is very simple problem. Sin inverse 2a by 1 plus a square, it is 2 tan inverse a, and it is 2 tan inverse b, 2 tan inverse x. Cancel all 2 and apply tan inverse a plus tan inverse b formula. Then tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse a plus b by 1 minus b tan inverse x, and x is equal to this much. Okay. In question number 11, many students taking cos inverse x to that side and applying cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, and here it is sin inverse, and very lengthy way they are doing the problems. But look at here, you are the golden students, you can do this very marvelous way. Add 1 cos inverse x, then it becomes what? Cos inverse x, if you add, it becomes minus 2 cos inverse x, and you know sin inverse x cos inverse x pi by 2 minus 2 cos inverse x is equal to pi by 6. Now 2 cos inverse x, 2 cos inverse x go to that side, if that side, and it will come to this side. It is 30 degree, it is 90 degree. The 90 degree minus 30 degree, 60 degree, pi by 3. Cos inverse x is pi by 6, x is equal to cos pi by 6 is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. Now observe number 12. This is sin inverse 2x, sin inverse x, pi by 3. So take one sin, very important step. This is the turning step. If you apply sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, then it will be very lengthy. Take sin inverse 2x is equal to pi by 3 minus sin inverse x. Take sin to both sides, it becomes 2x, and it will become sin of pi by 3 minus sin inverse x. Apply formula sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. And here, look at here, cos sin pi by 3, I am writing 3 by root 3 by 2. Cos sin inverse x, here I am doing that. Cos, what is sin inverse x? Sin inverse x is cos inverse 1 minus x square root over. So cos inverse, this is only this, minus sin pi by 3 half, and cos pi by 3 half, and sin inverse x is x. So this becomes 2x, this becomes minus x by 2 when it comes. This is 2x means 4x by 2, this is x by 2, when they come it becomes 5x by 2, and root 3 by 2, 1 minus x square root over, as it is constant, not variable. So they cancel each other, and 5x is equal to root 3 1 minus x square root over, taking square to both sides and arranging them, it becomes x square is equal to 3 by 28, x is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2 root 3 by 7 whole root over. But if you put the negative sign here, so sin inverse negative, value 0 to pi by 2, again sin inverse negative, value is within 0 to minus pi by 2 or minus pi by 2 to 0. This is gives negative result, this gives negative result on addition, which will never give you a positive result. Two negative will, when add, will never give you a positive result. So the only way to give the answer is positive of 1 by 2 to 3 by 7 root over on the and there are 4 more problems which I will do. I am giving you 13 to 16 problems. It is tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse x is pi by 4. Many students doing this problem very lengthy manner. First they take tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z. Then apply formula. It is very lengthy. Tan inverse x plus y plus z minus xyz by 1 minus xy minus yz minus zx. But I am doing in a tricky method. It is what? 3 means 1 plus 2. 2 is 2 into 1. And numerator is what? 1. So I am writing 2 minus 1. And it becomes what? Tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1. So tan inverse 1 by 3 becomes tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1. Okay. Now I am keeping tan inverse 1 by 5 as it is because it will not give me any result. Now look at tan inverse 1 by 7. It is 1 plus 6. 6 is 3 into 2. And the numerator is 1 3 minus 2. So I am converting this part to tan inverse 2 tan inverse 1. And this part as tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2. I am converting this and converting this. It becomes this, and I am keep remaining to tan inverse 1 by 5 and keep remaining tan inverse x tan is equal to what? Pi by 4. Now look at tan inverse 1 is what? Pi by 4. Tan inverse it is minus pi by 4. When it will go to right side, it becomes pi by 2. And it is tan inverse 2 and tan inverse 2. Both we cancel. Now the final result is tan inverse 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 5 and plus tan inverse x, and that part pi by 4 when it will go to this side, it gives you pi by 2. Now I am keeping tan inverse 3 plus tan inverse x in one side, tan inverse 1 by 5 to that side. It becomes pi by 2 minus tan inverse 1 by 5. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus tan inverse this is cot inverse this, and cot inverse 1 by 5 is tan inverse 5. Now tan inverse x is equal to what? When I will take this to right side, tan inverse 3 to the right side, it becomes tan inverse 5 minus tan inverse 3. It is tan inverse 5 minus 3 by 1 plus 5 into 3. It is tan inverse what? 2 by 16. So 1 by 8. X is equal to 1 by 8. Very simple method, very easy method. When you will go for the examination, remember this type of tricky problems. Okay. In my previous problem number 14, I have mistakenly writing pi by 3 or something, but that is really pi by 4. Look at this point and correct it. I have already done the problem. But when you took this screenshot, it was there pi by 3 or something. Okay, change it. Now look at number 15. 2 tan inverse this minus tan inverse this is equal to this. Now you have to do this. I am doing this problem in very shortcut method. You should look at this. Point tan 15 degree. Tan 15 degree is what? Tan 60 degree minus 45 degree. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay. Then tan 60 degree is root 3 minus 1 by 1 plus root 3. And when you multiply root 3 plus 1 to numerator denominator, it becomes 1 by 2 plus root 3, which you can see. Okay. So tan inverse tan 15 degree is this. 3 so tan inverse 1 by 2 plus root 3 is equal to 15 degree. Now 3 times of this problem, 3 times of this is equal to what? Is equal to what? Pi by 4 is equal to 3 into 45, that is equal to what? Pi by 4. So I am writing here tan inverse, tan inverse again tan inverse 1 by 3. It gives you what? Tan inverse 1 by 3. Look at me. Tan inverse 1 by 3, 2 minus 1, it is 1. 1 plus 2 into 1, it is 3. Tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1, it is tan inverse 1 means tan inverse 2 minus what? Pi by 4. So I am writing it tan inverse 2 minus, in this part I am writing 3 tan inverse 2 plus root 3. 3 tan inverse 2 plus root 3, it is what? Pi by 4 minus tan inverse 1 by x is equal to tan inverse 2 minus what? Pi by 4. When this will come to this side, tan inverse 1 by x go to right side, it becomes tan inverse 1 by x. This pi by 4, this is minus pi by 4, come to left side, it gives you pi by 2 minus what? Minus tan inverse 2. This comes to this side, tan inverse 2. As you know, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus tan inverse 2 is cot inverse 2. Cot inverse 2 is equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. Here tan inverse 1 by x is equal to tan inverse half. So x is equal to half. Very simple problem. You can enjoy by doing this method. Okay. Look at the number 16. It is a very critical problem for your exam. If you will do this problem by applying cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse x y plus minus 1 minus x square root over into 1 minus y square root over. First apply cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, then the result you apply cos inverse, the result with cos inverse minus half, x minus half. Again apply cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. It is very critical, very lengthy method. If for the examination, if this problem will come, then it is very difficult. It will take not less than 30 minutes to solve the problem. Now I am doing it in different manner. For cos inverse x minus half, this x minus half should be within minus 1 to 1 and x lies between minus half to 3 by 2. And cos inverse x, as you know, x lies between minus 1 to 1. For cos inverse x plus half, it lies between minus 1 to 1, x plus half, x lies between minus 3 by 2 to half. The first one I am taking the bigger arrows, and the second it is minus 1 to 1, and the third is minus 3 by 2. Sorry, the second bigger minus 3 by 2. Sorry, the first one I am taking minus half to 3 by 2 is the bigger, and the second is the smaller one, and the third is here minus 3 by 2 to 3 by 2, and the common thing is this. Within this to this I am writing the common is, for common domain it is minus half to plus half. So the only possibility, cos inverse minus half is 120 degree and cos inverse half is 60 degree. So I will take a value only which lies between 0 to 60 degree, 60 to 120 degree. For this I am taking the only possibility lies when we put cos inverse x is equal to 0. This is the only possibility. X is equal to cos pi by 2, which is 0. And after putting x is equal to 0 to the left hand side, it gives you 3 pi by 2. That's why I am telling the only possibility answer is x is equal to 0. And if it is not it will not accept it, then you can do it by this method, which is very lengthy for the examination. Okay.